Are you tired of having your face all red and blotchy? Well, I have a facial mask that will help get the redness out. It takes only 4 ingredients, and you can use it every 2 to 3 months. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of LuckyDogCreations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing another DIY. This time we're going to be doing a facial mask. And this facial mask is actually going to be for the redness of your skin. So what all do we need for our redness facial mask? We need 3 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of honey. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get a mixing bowl and put 3 tablespoons of the bentonite clay in there. Add the 5 drops of lavender. I added 7, just wanted a little bit extra good smell to it. 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be using the 2 tablespoons. And the 1/2 teaspoon of honey. I'll go ahead and put all the benefits down in the description below of all these ingredients. And then you want to go ahead and mix that up until it's thoroughly combined. And if it's too dry, you can add a little bit of distilled water. You want it to be a smooth paste. And it looks like I'm going to have to add just a little bit of distilled water because almost looks like cement. It does smell good though. And if you have rose water, you could use rose water instead of distilled water, but I don't have any rose water. And just add a little bit at a time because you don't want it too runny either. You just want it to be a nice smooth paste. And I'll go ahead and get this all mixed up and then we'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, it is a smooth paste. So you want to go ahead and put it on your face, cover your whole face, watch out for your eyes, your nostrils, and your mouth. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like on me, and then we'll let it dry for 15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, it is a gray mask. I can feel it getting hard on my skin. I will go ahead and let it set for 15 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it off. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. It feels really, really tight on my skin. I'm going to turn on the water, and I'm going to move my mic so you won't be able to hear anything. So we'll go ahead and get this washed off. Okay, so you can see I rinsed off my mask. My skin does feel really, really good. You just want to make sure that you're careful not to get it in your mouth or your nose or your eyes when you're rinsing it out. I do have rosacea, so I'm not sure if that redness will go away with this mask or not. I've never used this mask before. But I think I'll go ahead and keep trying it and see. If you like this video and would like to see others like it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notices every time I upload a video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.